Have you noticed that in Spanish we ask ¿cuál es tu nombre? Meaning which is your name, and not ¿qué es tu nombre? As in English, what is your name? Today, let's talk about this. ¿Qué onda, Spanish students? Welcome back to our Pura Buena Onda YouTube channel. My name is Paola, and today let's talk about how to make questions with ¿qué and cuál. ¿Qué literally translates to what, and which translates to cuál. And ¿qué is used when general information is expected, nothing in specific. For example, ¿qué quieres cenar? What do you want to have for dinner? Quiero cenar tacos. I want to have tacos for dinner. Nothing specific. Versus ¿cuál is used when a specific answer is expected, a choice, an option, or a short answer. For example, ¿cuál es tu restaurante mexicano favorito? What is your favorite Mexican restaurant? Mi favorito es Tacos El Gordo. My favorite is Tacos El Gordo. ¿Qué and cuál can both be used with the verb ser. When you use ¿qué with the verb ser, you're asking for a definition or a meaning of something, expecting a long answer. For example, ¿qué es un celular? What is a cell phone? Un celular es un medio de comunicación portátil usado en todo el mundo. A cell phone is a portable means of communication used around the world. While cuál plus ser is used to ask for a specific detail or information. For example, ¿cuál es tu celular? Which is your cell phone? El rojo, the red one. So remember, we use ¿qué for general information and cuál for specific information, choices, or details. For example, ¿qué lees? Una revista. What are you reading? A magazine. ¿Cuál lees? La nueva. Which one are you reading? The new one. Gracias por vernos. Remember to subscribe and write on the comments any examples. Also, follow us on our other social media on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok so you don't miss any of our content. ¡Hasta luego!